So the DJI Tello is a remarkably small drone. It's a toy drone, but it has some pretty decent picture capabilities as well as videos. It's okay. It doesn't have the stabilizing, but look at how small this is in the hand. And this is basically how it comes in the package. Other than the battery, which you can see here. So we're going to take it for a test drive. We're going to turn it on, which is just pressing on this little button. And then you should see the light come on right there. Okay.